Hi, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. In this video, I want to talk to you about acne. We all have or know someone who has suffered from acne or is suffering from it. It is painful, it is taxing on your emotional and physical well-being. I did a video on skincare and briefly touched upon the topic. However, in this video, I will focus only on acne and how to get rid of it from inside out. That's the key word here, from inside out. First thing I want to clarify is that acne is not the problem. Acne is a symptom. Problem lies elsewhere. If you address the problem, you will automatically get rid of the symptom. Unfortunately, we treat acne as a problem of its own, and that is why we make mistakes and the problem persists and continues. It is important to address the common misunderstandings out there about acne so you know what not to do. First misunderstanding is that it is a hygiene related issue. So people scrub their skin and apply different cleansers to get rid of the dead skin cells and bacteria from the skin. Does that do any good? No, actually it does more harm than good. You make the problem worse by irritating an already sensitive skin and remove the good bacteria from your skin as well, which it needs to stabilize the harmful bacteria that's there. Second misunderstanding is that antibiotics are the answer. We have very low tolerance for our bodies. If our body doesn't behave the way we like, we seek answers in medications. One of the most common mistakes people make is taking antibiotics for every issue. It hurts your body from inside out because it kills good bacteria along with the bad one and creates imbalance in your body. Another common mistake that people make is using powerful drugs like Accutane. Accutane increases the level of blood fats, increases sun sensitivity. It can cause thinning hair, dry nose and nosebleeds, respiratory issues, and even birth defects. So it is not a small issue, but sometimes it is touted as the most effective acne treatment. So like any other health concern, the most important thing is to find out what the problem is and then address the problem, not the symptom. Forget about the symptom, and acne is the symptom. So let's go deeper and find out what's happening to your body. Here's what's happening to your body when you have acne. First, you have extra tissue or skin fiber, which is being created. Okay. Second, you have clogged pores, which can give you black or white heads. Third is inflammation. The skin is inflamed. Fourth is unfriendly bacteria on that part of the skin feeding off of extra oil that's there. Okay, and the fifth thing that's happening is you have enlarged sebaceous gland. Okay, sebaceous glands are microscopic glands in the skin that secrete oily or waxy matter called sebum to lubricate and waterproof our skin and hair. So first thing you want to remember is that acne is not an isolated pimple popping out of nowhere. It is a combination of these few conditions, these few things happening to your body. I mentioned sebaceous glands, which are responsible for your acne. If you take care of these glands, you take care of acne. Sebaceous glands are affected by high androgen and estrogen levels. So if a woman gets acne, it is usually estrogen related, and if it often gets worse before the menstruations because the ovaries produce more estrogen during that time. But it could also be androgen related in both men and women. One form of androgen is testosterone. So both men and women have testosterone, but of course women have lower levels of it than men. However, if your body is producing too much testosterone, it affects the sebum production by the sebaceous glands. This leads us to the question, why is the body producing too much androgen? Right? And the answer is what I've discussed in the past as well. Insulin resistance. It is also the reason behind PCOS. I covered that in my video on that topic. And if you address insulin levels in the body, you kill two birds with one stone. You take care of PCOS and the acne. Another underlying reason of excessive production of androgen is lack of vitamin A. That is why Accutane works, because Accutane is a synthetic version of vitamin A. I would recommend krill oil instead. I consider krill oil to be better than cod liver oil or other fish oil because it is higher in antioxidants. Your body may absorb krill oil better than fish oil because krill is at the very bottom of the food chain and is found in cold waters. It is cleaner and safer than other fish that are higher on the food chain. But you can also use fish oil like cod liver oil if that is easier for you to find. So don't limit yourself to just krill oil. I highly recommend it, but any other fish oil would be very effective as a treatment in this case. Vitamin B5 along with vitamin A is a powerful combination to reduce and remove acne. So you definitely want to include vitamin B5 in your diet. Zinc is a known treatment for acne. Zinc supplements are available over the counter and it comes in different forms like zinc acetate or zinc sulfate or zinc gluconate. You want to make sure you're not taking multiple products with more than one type of zinc. That's definitely something that you really want to be careful about. That is why you want to work with a naturopath or a healthcare provider to determine what works best for your body type, because these things work, but they might not work for you because they're not good for you, and you don't want to be going through experimentations on your own. So the most effective way is to work with a professional who can help you find the right product for you. Now, this is if you have high testosterone levels. If you have high estrogen levels, the needs of the body and the treatment would be different. High estrogen levels are usually caused by liver dysfunction when the liver is unable to eliminate excess estrogen, and in some cases even converts testosterone to estrogen, causing imbalance. This can occur in both men and women. So fatty liver and cirrhosis can both cause this issue. You see, skin is the largest organ in the body. It gives us clues about what is happening deep down inside our bodies. Acne is a clue to let us know something is off, something is going wrong. So the reason acne usually occurs in adolescence is because their hormones are all over the place. So if you balance the hormones, you get rid of the acne. High blood pressure medications, antibiotics, which can increase estrogen, heartburn medication, antidepressants, alcohol. These are all foods that can imbalance, or these are all conditions or reasons that can imbalance your hormones. So best food for liver in case of estrogen-related acne is kale, broccoli, and mustard green. These are liver cleansers. Stinging nettle root, dandelion, lemon water, or warm water in general is good for people in this case. Don't drink cold water. Green tea is highly effective. Vegetables and fruits with high water content are really good. Bitter fruits and vegetables like bitter gourd, Indian gooseberry, it's also called amla, garlic, grapes, and grapefruit are also good for liver. Basically, you want to detoxify your liver, and you want to detoxify it regularly. Drink infused water is probably the easiest and most effective way of detoxifying your liver. Eat raw fruits and vegetables as much as 10 cups a day. In this situation, that's 2 large bowls of salad a day. Avoid junk food and fast food, and you should see the condition disappear faster than an Accutane treatment. I guarantee you that. You just have to give it a go. You have to be disciplined and persistent. That's the key here. And I guarantee you the results. I'll see you next time. Make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.